The Caterpillar D11 is a powerful bulldozer for heavy-duty earthmoving and construction projects. With its impressive specifications and technical capabilities, the D11 has become a legend in heavy machinery. The Caterpillar D11 is a powerful bulldozer for heavy-duty earthmoving and construction projects. Here are some of its specifications and technical data. The D11 has a 12-cylinder, 4-stroke diesel engine that can produce up to 935 horsepower, 697 kilowatts, at 1,800 revolutions per minute, RPM. It has a maximum operating weight of 229,800 pounds, 104,200 kilograms, and a ground clearance of 26.4 inches, 671 millimeters. The bulldozer has a single-shank ripper with a maximum digging depth of 24.2 inches, 615 millimeters, and can exert a ripping force of up to 109,000 pounds, 49,400 kilograms. The D11 has a blade capacity of up to 57 cubic yards, 43.5 cubic meters, and can push up to 90,000 pounds, 40,800 kilograms, of material at a time. The bulldozer has a maximum forward speed of 7.3 miles per hour, 11.7 kilometers per hour, and a top reverse speed of 8.5 miles per hour, 13.7 kilometers per hour. It has a fuel tank capacity of 422 gallons, 1,599 liters, and can run for up to 15 hours on a single fuel tank. The D11 is also equipped with various safety features, including a rollover protection system, a fire suppression system, and an automatic transmission that prevents the machine from stalling or over-revving. In summary, the Caterpillar D11 is a powerful and versatile bulldozer capable of handling the most challenging earthmoving and state-of-the-art construction projects. Its high horsepower engine, large blade capacity, and efficient fuel system make it an indispensable machine on any job site.